Your LG TV screen has a blue tint and the colors look off. This is a common issue on many LG TVs, especially older models. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to fix the LG TV blue tint problem using simple troubleshooting methods you can do at home. Power cycling is the first thing you should try. Unplug your LG TV from the wall outlet. Then find the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. After that, keep the TV unplugged for at least 5 minutes. Once the time is up, plug it back in, turn it on, and check if the blue tint is gone. Next, check the HDMI cables and ports. Disconnect all HDMI cables from the TV. Turn the TV on and open the menu screen. If the blue tint is still showing on the menu with nothing connected, the issue is likely not coming from an external device. Now plug the HDMI cables back in one by one, and each time try a different HDMI port. If needed, replace the HDMI cable to make sure a bad cable is not causing the color problem. Now update the TV software. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Check if an update is available and install it. If your TV is not connected to the internet, download the update file from LG's official website onto a USB drive, plug the USB into your TV, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. After that, adjust the picture settings. Open Settings and go to Picture. Try changing the picture mode, like Cinema or Expert, and see if the screen improves. Then go into the Advanced or Expert picture settings and set the color temperature to Warm, such as Warm 1 or Warm 2, to reduce the blue tint. If your TV has white balance or tint options, adjust them carefully. If Game Optimizer is turned on, switch it off. Also check for the Reduce Blue Light option in Advanced Settings and turn it on to see if it helps. Then run the screen self-diagnosis. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Screen Self-Diagnosis. On some models, it may be under Device Care. Run the picture test and follow the instructions on the screen. If the test image also looks blue, then the issue may not be related to external devices. If the problem is still there, reset the picture settings or perform a factory reset. First, reset the picture settings back to default. If that does not fix it, go to Settings, then General, and choose Reset to Initial Settings. You may need to enter a PIN, which is usually 0000 or 1234. Complete the reset, and once the TV restarts, set it up again and check if the blue tint is fixed. If the blue tint is still visible even on the TV menu after trying all these fixes, it may be a hardware issue. The likely cause is aging or failing LED backlights. Do not open the TV panel at home. Contact LG support or a professional technician to have it checked properly. That's it for this video on how to fix the blue tint issue on your LG TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get your screen colors back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Did one of these methods work for you? Or do you still have questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.